And thanks for being with us. I'm James Wilcox. A jury is seated and both sides have presented opening statements in a high-profile Albert Lea attempted murder trial. Devin Weiland faces 3 counts of attempted murder and assault, accused of luring police to his apartment and shooting 3 people, including an Albert Lea police officer. ABC 6 News reporter Emily Pofall is live in Albert Lea tonight, where some testimony also began today in court.
James, that's right. After opening statements, we moved on to the first few witnesses for the state. One of those witnesses was former Albert Lea police officer Cody Needham. Now, Needham was shot right here in his upper right chest, but he survived thanks to the bulletproof vest he was wearing. Needham walked the jury through the moments right before he got shot. He was responding to a report of possible gunfire or fireworks when the prosecution says Weiland ambushed him from above. After Needham was shot, he drove himself to the hospital. Needham and other responding officers were overwhelmed at times on the stand. Some had a hard time talking about how scary it was to get shot at or not knowing if Needham was going to survive his injuries. On the defense side, Weiland has a mountain of evidence stacked against him from the state, and his attorneys say they understand the jury will likely convict Weiland of the assault charges. But their end goal is to get him off the attempted first-degree murder charges. And in order to prove those attempted first-degree murder charges, the state has to show that Weiland planned and wanted to kill people that day. His defense says that that's not the case. His only intent that day was to commit suicide by cop. James.